Namaste, I'm Saurabh Kaushal from India. I'm the founder of Smart Circuits Innovation Private Limited. We are working on a space technology and education product. Under education, we are developing some innovative and creative education product with a vision to empower and skill individuals so that anyone can learn, experiment, build, prototype and invent, because I believe in the innovation, I believe in the creativity and the technology, and I want to give the tools of 21st century to each and every individual so that anyone can build some out of the box technology and solve the problem faced by the society these days. In addition, our long-term vision is to launch the privately built rocket and the satellite in space, because I'm really passionate about space science and technology. It's just like my dream. I started my research work at the age of 18 years, but initially I was dissuaded by many people, including the faculty member, relatives, society and friend. But I believe in myself and I concentrated, on my research work, and I proposed some new technologies to clean the space junk from the space. I remember, as I'm from a very small town, and there are a lot of problems in my hometown. There's a lack of resources, not proper mentorship, and there's a problem that is related to the financial problem. But apart from that, I worked for my passion, I worked for my dream. In addition to that, I really want to give back to the society, because I learned a lot of things from the society, and I believe this is the right time to give back to the society. And I don't want to become a millionaire or a billionaire. I want to touch the lives of 1,000,000 and 1,000,000,000 people. That's my ultimate goal and aim. And I believe I'm the most amazing entrepreneur, because I'm doing the stuff, something different from others. I'm living for my passion, and I want to do something for others and for the betterment of society, humanity and nation. Thank you.